This Asus Vivobook 14 laptop in transparent silver color comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. This compact and light laptop weighs only 1.6 kilograms, making it ideal for people on the go. Powered by the 10th generation Intel Core i3 processor, this laptop gives you a faster and smoother computing experience, allowing you to multitask. It comes with pre-installed MS Office, making it ready to use. The laptop features a 4GB DDR4 RAM that is upgradable up to 12GB. It also comes with Intel UHD graphics that allows you to switch easily and quickly between applications. The laptop has 256GB SSD that provides higher responsiveness and faster boot up, while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with a 32Wh lithium-ion battery. This Asus Vivobook has a 14-inch LED backlit full HD display with anti-glare technology that provides better clarity and superior colors for an immersive viewing experience. The laptop comes with a full-size chiclet keyboard with fingerprint reader for quick and secure logins. The laptop has one USB 3.2 port, one USB 3.2 Type-C port, two USB 2.0 ports, and one HDMI port for easy connectivity. The laptop comes with a micro SD card reader and one combo audio jack. The laptop comes with AC adapter, user guide, and manuals included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.